Children, see, this is 12th standard state board, chapter 2, integration, business maths, exercise 2.1, see, root of 3x plus 5, root of 3x plus 5. I hope you are all gone through the formulas. Okay, you should by heart all the formulas thoroughly, then you will move on to the sum. Okay, see here, it is very important chapter. Integration is very important chapter when you are going for the higher studies, ICW or CA also. This chapter is very important. So, you will by heart, you will go through thoroughly all the formulas. Okay, listen. Integral root of 3x plus 5. 3x plus 5 whole power 1 by 2. Whenever root represent whole power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into dx. First you check the degree of x. See here the power of x is 1. So easily you can apply the formula. What formula you can apply here? Integral x power n into dx equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Okay, integral x power n into dx equal to integral x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. You have another formula also, integral ax plus b whole power n. You don't memorize all the formulas. See here, just you can see if it is degree 1, it is in a power, you can apply the formula 3x plus 5 whole power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Whenever the coefficient comes, see coefficient here, what is the coefficient of x? 3. You can write it in the denominator. You can write it in the denominator. So, n plus 1, n value is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 into 3 plus c, because there is no limit. If limit is there, you don't put c. But if there is no limit, you should write down the plus c. C is an arbitrary constant. So, what is the value for this? So, 3x plus 5 whole power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. You can take the LCM. 2 is the LCM. 3 by 2 into 3 plus c. 3 by 2 plus c. See here, 3x plus 5 whole to the power 3 by 2 by, you reciprocal that value. So, it comes what? 2 into 2 by 9 plus c. Reciprocal, this value 3 3s are 9. 2 reciprocal means 2 into 3x plus 5 whole to the power 3 by 2 by 9 plus c. You move on to the second sum. So, what is the second sum? 9x square minus 4 by x square the whole square. See, it is a minus b the whole square formula. You apply the formula first of all. A square. A square means what? 81x power 4. A square minus 2ab. 2ab. 2 4s are 8. 8 9s are 72. 72 x square into 1 by x square, 2ab, 2 4s are 8, 8 9s are 72 plus b square, 16 by x power 4. So, a square minus 2ab plus b square, x square get cancelled. So, what is the value for this? 81x power 4 minus 72 plus 16x power 4, I can write it in such a way, x to the power minus 4, I bring the denominator value to the numerator. Now integrate 81x power 4 minus 72 plus 16x power minus 4 into dx. If you know the formula, you will do it straight away or you will take it as separately and do the terms. See here, integral. Constant you can take it out, integral x power 4 into dx. X power 4 into dx minus 72 into integral dx minus 72 into integral dx plus 16 into integral x power minus 4 into dx. So it is in a power. You apply the power formula, that is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, or if you can see the power, if it is 4 means you can add 1, that is 5 by 5. It is minus 4 means minus 4 plus 1. See here, 81 into x power 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 plus c, you can write at last. Okay, minus 72 into integral dx, always x plus 16 into x power minus 4 plus 1 minus 4 plus 1 plus c, minus 4 plus 1 minus 4 plus 1 plus c. See, 81 into x power 5 by 5, 81 into x power 5 by 5 minus 72x plus 16 into x to the power minus 3 by minus 3 plus c. It gives 81 x power 5 by 5 minus 72x, okay, minus 16 by 3 into, you bring it down, 1 by x cube plus c, because it should not be in negative, the power should not in negative. See, what is the value? 81 x power 5 by 5 minus 72x minus 16 by 3x cube plus c. See the third sum, 3 plus x into 2 minus 5x, first you multiply. See, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6 minus 15x plus 2x minus 5x square, minus 5x square, 6 minus 15x plus 2x minus 5x square, it gives 6 minus 13x, 15 minus 2 is 13x minus 5x square. Now we will integrate 6 into 6, you can take it as constant, commonly out, 6 into dx minus 13 into x dx minus 5 into integral x square dx. Okay, so 6 into x, 6 into x, you can put this bracket, 6 into x or 6x minus 13 into x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, because power 1, you can apply the formula x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, minus 5 into x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, 5 into x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. See here, it gives 6x minus 13x square by 2 minus 5x cube by 3. Once you integrate, you don't put the integration sign and you put plus c, plus c. So this is the answer. See the fourth sum, root x into x cube minus 2x plus 3. I told you in the previous sum itself, root x you can change it into x to the power 1 by 2. So it gives x to the power 1 by 2 into x cube minus 2x plus 3. You bring it inside that x to the power 1 by 2. See here, x to the power 1 by 2 into x cube minus 2x to the power 1 by 2 into x to the power 1 plus 3x to the power 1 by 2. See, if the bases are same, you can add the powers. So, x power 1 by 2 plus 3 minus 2x power 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 3x power 1 by 2. First you simplify and then you can move on to the integration. See here, x to the power 3 2s are 6. Okay, you can take it as the 1 2 as the common denominator. See, 3 2s are 6. You can take it as the LCM as here 2, 7 by 2 minus 2x power 2, 3 by 2 plus 3x power 1 by 2. Now we will do the integration. See, if you know, you will do it straight away, or you can do it separately. For the few sums alone, I will do it separately. X power 7 by 2 into dx minus 2 is constant, you can take it out. X to the power 3 by 2 into dx plus 3 constant, you can take it out. X to the power 1 by 2 into dx. So it gives x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1, 7 by 2 plus 1, 7 by 2 plus 1 by 7 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 into x to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1. The same formula you can apply. Plus 3 into x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Plus c. See here. So it gives, again take the LCM, 2 as the LCM, 7 plus 2 by 2, 9 by 2, x to the power 9 by 2 by 9 by 2 minus 2 into x to the power 5 by 2, take the LCM, 3 plus 2 by 2, 5 by 2 by 5 by 2 plus 3 into x to the power 3 by 2, x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. See here, reciprocal the value. Reciprocal the value, what is the value we are getting? 2 into x to the power 9 by 2 by 9. 2 x to the power 9 by 2 by 9. Reciprocal. Minus 4 x to the power 5 by 2 by 5 plus 3 get cancel, 2 into x to the power 3 by 2 plus c. So this is the answer. See, fifth sum, 8x plus 13 by 4x plus 7. You can make this number, see here, I will write 8x plus 14 minus 1. What is the value of 14 minus 1? 13. Why I should do? 4 if I can take it, 2 I can take it out, 4x plus 7, I will get this number. Okay, you will think and do the sum by root of 4x plus 7. You can separate the term. See here, 8x plus 14 by root of 4x plus 7 minus 1 by root of 4x plus 7. Now you can take it 2 commonly out. So what is the value you are getting? 2 into 4x plus 7, because 7 2s are 14, by root of 4x plus 7 by root of 4x plus 7 minus 1 by root of 4x plus 7. When I cancel, you know very well, x by root x, it gives what? X means I will write as what? Root x into root x by root x. So root x get cancelled, because root x into root x is x. So it gives, I cancel the term, what I am getting here? 2 into root of 4x plus 7. 2 into root of 4x plus 7 minus 1 by root of 4x plus 7. First you will simplify and then you will do the integration. 2 into 4x plus 7 whole power 1 by 2, whole power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4x plus 7 whole power 1 by 2. So it gives 2 into 4x plus 7 whole power 1 by 2 minus, you bring it to the numerator, what is that value? 4x plus 7 whole power minus 1 by 2, because when the power comes to the numerator it becomes negative. Okay, minus 4x plus 7 minus 1 by 2. See, now you are going to the integration part. 2 into 4x plus 7 whole power 1 by 2 into dx minus integral 4x plus 7 whole power minus 1 by 2 into dx. You check the x power. So if it is in power 1 means you can apply the formula x power n integral x power n into dx x power n plus 1 by n plus. See, you can check the power. It is 1 means you will write 2 into x power n formula x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. 4x plus 7 whole power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. You can write the coefficient in the denominator. Can write the coefficient in the denominator minus the same thing 4x plus 7 whole power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. The same thing, that coefficient you can write it in the denominator plus c. See here, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 4x plus 7 whole power 3 by 2 half plus 1, or you can take 2 as the LCM and do by 3 by 2 into 2. 3 by 2 into 2. See here, minus 4x plus 7 whole power 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 into 4 plus c. 1 by 2 plus 4 plus c. See, 2 2 cancel, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So what is the final answer here? See here, 4x plus 7 whole power 3 by 2 by 3 minus 4x plus 7 whole power 1 by 2 by 2 plus c. So this is the final answer. See the sixth sum. 1 by root of x plus 1 by root of 1 by root of x plus 1 plus root of x minus 1. First you can take it as a conjugate. See, root of x plus 1 plus root of x minus 1, you can take it as a conjugate into root of x plus 1 minus root of x minus 1 by root of x plus 1 minus root of x minus 1. See, a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. A square minus b square. So it gives 1 into means it gives what? Root of x plus 1 minus root of x minus 1. This value is a and this value is b. A plus b into a minus b gives a square minus b square by a square minus b square. Root of x minus 1 the whole square. A square minus b square. So what is the value? First you simplify and then you will do the integration. See here, it gives root of x plus 1 minus root of x minus 1 by a square. A square means root and square get cancelled. What is the value you are getting? X plus 1 minus the same root and square get cancelled. What is the value you are getting? X minus 1. So it gives root of x plus 1 minus root of x minus 1 by x plus 1 minus, you can bring it inside, x plus 1 minus x plus 1 minus into plus minus x plus 1 x get cancelled. So what is the value for this? It gives, you will write in such a way that root is whole power 1 by 2. Okay. Minus x minus 1 whole power 1 by 2 by 2. X plus 1 whole power 1 by 2. X minus 1 whole power 1 by 2 by 2. See? 1 by 2. Now you do the integration part. Integral x plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 minus x minus 1 whole power 1 by 2 by 2 into dx. You can take it as 1 by 2 out. You will do 1 by 2 out. Integral x plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 minus x minus 1 whole power 1 by 2 dx. In this sum, I will do it straight away, that integration part. You check the x power is 1. So, you can apply the integral x power n formula. What is the formula for integral x power n? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. C 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into x plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 minus x minus 1 whole power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Once you apply the integration, you don't put the integration sign. So, it gives 1 by 2 into x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2, because 2 is the LCM. 1 plus 2 by 2, 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus x minus 1 whole power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. Commonly, I can take it as a 3 by 2 and bring it out. See here, it gives 1 by 2 into 2 x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 by 3, okay, minus 2 x minus 1 whole power 3 by 2 by 3 plus c. 2 by 3 is common, I can take it out. 2 by 3 is common, I can take it out. 1 by 2 into 2 by 3. 1 by 2 into 2 by 3. What is the result here? X plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 minus x minus 1 whole power 3 by 2 plus c. See, 2 get cancelled. So, it gives 1 by 3 into x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 minus x minus 1 whole power 3 by 2 plus c. Seventh sum, if f dash of x equal to x plus b, f of 1 equal to 5 and f of 2 equal to 13, then find f of x. Integration and differentiation are reverse process. See, differentiation is derivative, means integration is antiderivative. So, I should find out the value of f of x, but the given term is f dash of x. What I should do? See, f of x equal to integral f dash of x into dx. F of x equal to integral f dash of x into dx. So, f of x equal to integral, what is my f dash of x? X plus b. X plus b into dx. I will do it straight away. See, integral, it is power 1. Power 1 means x square by 2. That is 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. X square by 2. Plus, nothing is there, you can write x. Because integral dx is x. If you want, you can do it straight away. If you separately, sorry. Plus integral b into dx. B is a constant, you can take it out. Power 1, x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus b into integral dx is x. Okay. Plus c. Plus c. So, f of x equal to x square by 2 plus bx plus c. You can substitute 1 by 1 the value. See, f of 1 equal to 5. f of 1 equal to 5. You substitute f of x, instead of x, in the place of x you substitute 1. It gives 1 square by 2 plus b into 1 plus c. So what is the value of f of 1? 5. So 5 equal to 1 by 2 plus b plus c. You can take the LCM. So 5 equal to 1 plus 2b plus 2c by 2. Okay. You bring it to this side. 5 2s are 10 equal to 1 plus 2b plus 2c. Okay. 2b plus 2c equal to 2b plus 2c equal to 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1. So 2b plus 2c equal to 9. You can take it as the first equation. 2b plus 2c equal to 9. You can take it as the first equation. See, f of 2b plus 2c equal to 9. What is the next term? First term they are given as f of 1 equal to 5. This term f of 2 equal to 3. See, f of 2 equal to 13. f of 2 equal to 13, you substitute f of 2 equal to 2 square by 2 plus b into 2 plus c. So it gets cancelled. What is the value? F of 2 value is 13 equal to 2 plus 2b plus c. 13 minus 2 equal to 2b plus c. 2b plus c equal to 2b plus c equal to 11. You can take it as the second equation. What is the first equation? 2b plus 2c equal to 9. Second equation, 2b plus c equal to 11. See here, you subtract. This is the first equation. Second equation you subtract, minus. So what is the value? 2b get cancelled. 2c minus c is c. C equal to 9 minus 11. What is the value? Minus 2. So c value equal to minus 2. Substitute c equal to minus 2 in any one of the equation. I can take it as the second equation. So 2b minus 2 equal to 11. 2b minus 2 equal to 11. 2b equal to 11 plus 2. You bring it to this side. 2b equal to 11 plus 2. 2b equal to 13 and b equal to 13 by 2. B equal to 13 by 2. Now you write the f of x. Because we want to find out the value of f of x. F of x equal to x square by 2. X square by 2 plus bx. What is the value of b? 13 by 2 plus 13 by 2 into x. What is the value of c? C equal to minus 2. So this is the value of f of x. See, integral, if f dash of x equal to 8x cube minus 2x and f of 2 equal to 8, then find f of x. See the same thing, integral f dash of x into dx equal to f of x, because it is a reverse process. Okay, so f of x equal to integral, what is f dash of x here? 8x cube minus 2x into dx. If you know, you can do it straight away. 8x power 4 by 4, that is 3 plus 1. 4 by 4 minus 2 x square by 2, because power 1. 1 plus 1 by 2 plus c. Cancel the term. 2 times 1 time. So what is f of x here? F of x equal to f of x equal to 2x power 4 minus x square plus c. F of x equal to 2x power 4 minus x square plus c. See, f of 2 equal to 8. You should find out the value of c. So, f of 2 equal to 8. Substitute x equal to 2. In the place of x, you can substitute 2. So, 2 equal to f of 2 equal to 2 into 2 power 4. 2 into 2 power 4 minus 2 square plus c. Okay, f of 2 value is what? 8 equal to 2 into 2 power 4. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 16 minus 4 plus c. So, 8 equal to 32 minus 4 plus c. 32 minus 4 plus c. See, 8 equal to 32 minus 4 is 28 plus c. C equal to 8 minus 28 equal to c. So, what is the value of c? 8 minus 28. C equal to minus 20. Now, you substitute the value of c in f of x. So, what is f of x? F of x equal to 2x power 4. 2x power 4 minus x square. Minus x square, what is the value of c? C equal to minus 20. So, this is the answer.